Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to start with multi-point method, that is method 7 from numerical analysis. After Chebyshev's method, that was method 6, now we come to multi-point method. We use the same question as Chebyshev method and do it with multi-point method where the interval is 1 comma 2. I hope the previous methods are clear, and if not, you can do write in the comment sections about the calculations and the methods. I will surely make a video on your doubts. So let's start the solution here. X4 minus x minus 10. So here we have to take out f dash, that is f of x. The given equation is f of x, and we have to take out the differentiation of the given equation. So that will be x4 differentiation, that is 4x cube minus 1. Now the iterative formula for multi-point method is, there is a little confusion with the formula of multi-point method and Chebyshev's, but with practice only you will get to know the difference, because even in secant and regular falsy method you will have this confusion of the methods to use. So here we have x star k plus 1 is equal to xk minus fk by fk dash, and xk plus 1 is equal to x star k plus 1 minus f star k plus 1 by fk dash. My star is just a scribble wala star, so I hope you can understand it. I will be showing you the first iteration method and the calculations related to it. The second and the third iterations, I have done the calculations already, so I will write that on the board so that you can tally the answers when you are doing this problem. As we know from the previous method, we had x naught is equal to 1.5. Here we find out f naught. That will be substituting x naught value in the given equation, that is x4 minus x minus 10. Now the f naught value we have got. Now we will find out f naught dash. The equation is same, 4x cube minus 1. You just have to substitute the 1.5, 4 into 1.5, the whole cube minus 1, and your answer will be 12.5. Now we come to the iterative formula, that will be x1 star is equal to x naught minus f naught by f naught dash. Substitute the given values in the equation x naught minus f naught by f naught dash, and here I will show you the calculations. Some people get confused either to subtract first or divide first, or multiply the signs and then divide or then multiply. So here I will be showing you on the calculator. I got the answer as 2.0150. Now let's head on to the calculator and let's see how it works. So I have first divided by minus 6.4375 by 12.5, and I got the answer, and then I used minus into minus, that is plus, and then I added the answer 0.515, so I got it same. This can be done manually. At the right hand side, you make sure that you have a working column. When you do such methods in numerical analysis, it is necessary to have a working column. So at the right side of your page, you should always make a working column so that it is easy for you to, even after calculating, to write down in the formulas or equations. Making a working column at the side and doing the calculations properly, it is very helpful, as you can even recheck your answers, how you multiplied, how you divided, and you don't need to get confused which one have you multiplied or divided. That has happened with me, that I tend to forget that did I multiply this with that number or divided some the above number with the below number. So it's always easier to have a working column beside. Here we have the formula for f1 star, that is f1 star is equal to f of x star. F of x star is basically the equation f of x, where you have to substitute 2.0150 in that equation. That will be 2.0150 the whole to the power 4 minus 2.015 minus 10. As I have written f of x star plus 1, that is just like xk plus 1 from the formula I have written, but it is f of x star. Don't get confused and add up plus 1 over there. So here we got the answer as 1.6574. this completes the first iteration. Now in the second iteration, I am directly writing down the values. You just have to, instead of putting x1, you just have to put x2, and x naught. Instead of putting x naught, you just have to put x1, and do the same using the same formula. Just the values will, the variables will be different. So x naught will be x1, and you get the values, and then directly I'm putting into the formula, that is x2 star is equal to x1 minus f1 by f1 dash. And the procedure from here follows. You just have to get the values, substitute them, and then do your x2 star. The method is same. And Chebyshev, comparatively from Chebyshev, I feel multi-pointer method is easier, because in Chebyshev's method you have to find out dash, double dash, and then substitute. Here you just have a single thing. Once you get the values, you just have to substitute in the given formulas one by one, and you get the answer. And either you have to find 2 iterations or 3 iterations. The third iterations of the last value which you get will be your approximate value. So the third iterations also is same as follows. I'm just mentioning f2 star and f3 star. How did we get? That's all, and that is our approximate root. Thank you. Please share, subscribe.